With over 35 years in the arena drag business, Kiser Arenas has the experience and knowledge to design and manufacture the equipment you need to maintain perfect footing. Here's a look at the Kiser 810 Arena Drag, which has been specifically designed for a standard or smaller tractor, is unlike any other on the market, and could be the perfect drag for your arena.
I'm going to show you right now how to adjust the frame on the Kiser Model 810. The goal here is for the frame to be running level front to back when the drag is engaged in the ground. This is accomplished by placing different size stop collars on the hydraulic ram of the cylinder on the tongue of the drag. There's also a nut there that is used for fine adjustment. The more collars that you have on the hydraulic ram, the higher the front of the drag will run. The fewer the collars that you have, the lower the front of the drag will run. Again, the goal is for the frame to be level when the drag is in the ground.
Although this drag is 10 feet wide, it only requires a 45 horsepower tractor. It has two sets of hydraulic remotes. The first set controls the hydraulic leveling blade, and the second set controls the drag depth by raising and lowering the wheels of the drag via the front and rear cylinders. The front of the drag supports the stationary push blade that begins the footing releveling process. The blade runs about 1/2 to 1 inch into the ground and is the initial point of contact.
I wanted to demonstrate to you how I like to have the push blade set on the Kiser Model 810. As you can see right here, I'm sweeping the top footing off of the base, and you can see right now that that blade is about 1.5 inches above the base.
Behind the push blade lies the secondary point of contact, a row of adjustable rippers that can be raised or lowered to loosen compacted footing at the desired depth. The third point of contact is a hydraulically controlled leveling and grooming blade. This blade can be used as a stationary leveler or can be controlled to move the arena footing to easily keep it at a constant depth. Behind the leveling and grooming blade, the drag can be customized with either an adjustable profile blade or 2 rows of adjustable grooming rods. Finally, a finish rake gives the arena the final look.
Now I'm demonstrating how to control the depth of the Kiser Model 810. This is accomplished by placing the stop collars on the hydraulic ram of the cylinder and using the nut as a fine adjustment. The more collars that you have on the ram, the shallower the drag will run. The fewer collars that you have, the deeper the drag will be.
Many customers add the optional 225-gallon water system to the Kiser 810 Arena Drag. The water system is designed to spray water in front of the drag instead of behind. This allows the moisture to be worked into the footing versus having it sit on top. The water is distributed via a PTO-driven pump that connects directly to the tractor.
This is the main shutoff valve for the water system. That's your supply line that goes to your pump. The valve that I have my hand on right now is the return valve to the tank. That controls your pressure to your sprayer tips. When that valve is completely shut, that provides maximum pressure to the sprayers. When that valve is open, part of your water will be returned into your tank, decreasing the pressure to your tips, decreasing the output of water.
The Kiser 810 Arena Drag is designed to be trusted and is part of the Kiser Arena family of drags that are the highest quality, most durable and effective drags on the market. Contact Kiser Arenas today for more information.